So here we have this FeoPet 2-in-1 automatic wire stripper. Now this thing's pretty cool and it works pretty well, so let me give you a closer look at it. It's mainly made of plastic and then it has this metal handle. It has a cutter at the bottom, works pretty well for just cutting wire. And then at the top, there's the actual wire stripper, and that also works pretty well. And there's this little stopper piece that you can use to adjust the length from about 1/4 inch all the way to 3/4 inches. And then on the back, there's this knob, and that allows you to change the biting force of the wire stripper. So if it's too tight, making it difficult to use and shaving your wire, then you can loosen the knob, which will make it easier and only cut off the rubber. It's quick and easy to use, and I like the stopper to get consistent lengths. And it does also work on stranded wire, but not quite as well. I messed around with the knob quite a bit to adjust it, but no matter what I do, it always seems to cut one of the strands. And that's not horrible, but that's definitely not ideal to be cutting off one of the strands. So yeah, overall, this automatic wire stripper works great for solid wire. It's just really quick and easy to use, but that being said, it's not the best for stranded wire.